Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie and today I will be preparing for you guys some pot roast pork served with gungu, rice and peas, and alongside some garden green salad, and also I'll be doing some Irish potato punch. Let's get started. So guys, this is my pork, a lovely piece of shoulder round pork. So now I will be adding my seasoning to the pork, wherein I have some garlic powder, meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning in this bowl, some dry pimento green. I also have scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, I'm gonna cut all of the ground provision now and add it to the powder seasoning, wherein I will be sticking the meat and insert the seasoning in the meat. Watch me while I go. I'll try cut the scallion as small as possible. Now for my thyme. Because the thyme have stick inside, I'll try to cut it as small as possible.
It bought a slide.
So guys, this is my ginger. I'm adding ginger. For the Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, I won't use the seed of the pepper. I'll put all of it in this bowl to combine the ground provision and the powder seasoning together. So now you have all the ground provision and the powder seasoning together. Now I'm going to mix and incorporate everything, combine them together. I'm just adding some jerk seasoning, just a little. So now I will be punching holes in the pork so I can put the seasoning in it. Just small holes. Now I'll go ahead and add the seasoning. So now I'll transfer the pork to the pot. Now guys, I will clean up a little bit and get started on my gungu rice and peas. Now the pork is on. It will be on the fire for 35 to 40 minutes max. Now I will start doing my gungu rice and peas. So in the pot I have some green gungu. I'll put it to boil. So I'm just adding a little water to the pork, just a little bit. So we'll add the water gradually as the pork cooks. I'm gonna add all of these ground provision to my rice and peas. So I have here some garlic, scallion, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme. Let me grab some thyme here. Thyme, and of course my nutmeg. A bunch of thyme. Add the thyme to the pot. The pepper, I won't open the pepper. This bell pepper, I can cut it big because I'll move it. Garlic. Ginger. I'll chop all of these for my rice. The peas and the ground provision will cook together, so you'll have the peas itself more tasty. So I'll grate a piece of nutmeg also for the rice and peas. Okay, just a little bit. Oh yeah. Now I'm working on my salad. So In my garden green salad, I'm using carrots, cabbage, lettuce, purple cabbage. This is another type of lettuce, tomato, and bell pepper, and cucumber. So first I'll start peeling the carrots. First, let me start with shredding up. See, very pretty, very nice. I'm using the baby cherry tomato, guys. Okay, half of a lettuce, half a cucumber, Hey Google. Hey Google. Stop. I don't want to have it powered with it. That. Nothing.
Oh? Yes.
Guys, look how pretty it looks. Wow. I'm gonna set this aside, and now I will be checking on the pork and the rice. I know they're all done, so I will give them a check. Wow. The pork is so pretty. It's done. The rice is done. Looks nice, tastes nicer, and smell nice as well. So I'll just base it and let it stay there for some time. So guys, I'm making a potato punch. So I will go ahead, peel these potatoes, then I will dice them, boil them, set them to cool after boiling them, then I will blend them and add all my sweeteners. So guys, I have to keep adding water to keep the meat tender. So just a little bit of water each time and have it cooked. I use the same water that cooked the potato to blend it, guys. Okay. Finish blending the potato. Now I'm gonna add my sweeteners. I'm adding a dragon stout, some condensed milk, like just a half can of milk to this amount. In this I have nutmeg and cinnamon. Then I will add some vanilla. I'll add some red label wine, guys. This is Kelly's Canadian red label wine, same as Jamaican. Not much. I'll add some white rum. Wow, smell nice. Tastes even better. I'll put a little more vanilla. Very nice. If you like, you can add like supplement to your mix. You know, if I did have supplement in the fridge, I'll certainly add it, but there's no supplement today, unfortunately. So you can add supplement to your potato punch or whatever you want to add to it. Anything that is creamy, anything that is milky, anything that is dairy, you can add to your juice. Now you guys know this is my favorite part. Plating, because after plating I will be eating. There we go. So now for my salad, I don't want to mix all of this all at once. People mix to their own taste, so I'll go ahead and mix some. I'll mix some with extra virgin olive oil. I'll put the oil here. extra virgin olive oil, and this is some cane vinegar and granulated sugar. So I'll mix well together. That's as much. I'll use a fork because I don't want to get too much liquid inside. So I'll plate it right there. There we go. Now the star of the show, the grand finale, is Mr. Pork. I'll just rest this here. There we have it, guys. So this is pot roast pork. So you know it's whole, so I have to slice it, right? Wow, smells so nice. You can see all the stuffing inside. Cooking your pork this way too, it's a good cook for, you know, if you want to make sandwiches. Pot roast pork is nice for sandwiches as well. Okay, I think that's enough for me or one person. And also I'm gonna plate with some avocado. So I'll just add some sauce to it. Not too much. There we have it. Thick and nice. Yummy. Very nice. All good. Now I'll go ahead and I will dig in. So good. My God. Now for the rice, I'll taste the rice. Yeah, so good. So good, very good. There you have it, guys. Nice pot roast pork, gungu rice and peas, a garden green salad with some avocado, and my nice Irish potato punch. Hope you all enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in